Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. If you are looking to get the best discount and promo code in 2025 for discount tires, this video is for you. So to benefit from their discounts, what you do is you head over to groupon.com/search. From there, when you open their website groupon.com, you're going to search for discount tires on this search bar. Okay, when you search for that, you're going to see a lot of discounts. As you can see, we have 35% off. Just make sure you go through and you read through and make a decision based on the particular service you need from them. Okay, and you can see a lot of discounts here. We have 63% off and we have 86% off, and you can see with the code summer fun, and we have a lot of discount codes here as well. So feel free to go through, watch the whole web page and make a decision based on your particular need. Yeah, the second website whereby you can get more discount and promo codes for discount tires is Simply Codes. Okay, so you head over to Simply Codes, and from here you search for discount tires. So we say discount tires. Search for discount tire, and then from there we can see more promo codes. Okay, they say discount tire promo codes and coupons for July 2025. So today's discount deal, we have get up to $100 rebate on Goodyear at discount tire. Okay, so if you get the deal, simply click get deal there. Once more, make sure you browse through and then you select the particular deal that best suits your interest. To simply get this particular deal, all you have to just click is get the deal. And that's that for the video. If you found this guide helpful, like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.